If you've been gardening for any amount of time, you know that it takes regular maintenance. This is true for any of your flowering bulbs in the garden. A few simple steps can help keep them healthy. Mulching is one of the first things. The easiest time to mulch is when there's no foliage. This is usually over the winter or in the fall when you're first planting your bulbs. In the fall, leaves are a readily available mulch, but there's lots of different options for mulching. Mulching is great because it conserves the soil moisture, can help keep the bulbs warm, and prevents weed seeds from germinating. You also want to fertilize your bulbs if they're being grown as perennials, which means they're coming back to your garden year after year. A slow-release fertilizer will release over time and feed the bulb throughout its growth. You can apply this fertilizer when you're planting your bulbs in the fall. If you have bulbs in your garden already, the easiest time to apply fertilizer is when the leaves first start emerging in the spring. When you first see that foliage poking up in the early spring, you can locate your bulbs and apply fertilizer then. Avoid fertilizing after your bulbs have flowered. This can lead to disease issues. The final step of maintenance usually occurs after your bulbs have flowered. You can deadhead spent flowers when they're done blooming to remove them from the garden, but try to avoid cutting back the foliage until it's turned yellow or brown. When your bulbs still have green foliage, they're performing photosynthesis and storing up energy to put in that bulb for future years. Also avoid the urge to tidy up your garden by tying the foliage into small bundles. This can impede the leaves' ability to perform photosynthesis and store up more energy for next year. Just some simple maintenance steps can really help your bulbs shine in your garden.